Let me tell you a story, folks. A story that serves as a cautionary tale for all those who venture into the world of gold trading. This is the story of a gold trader named Bob. Bob was a seasoned trader, someone who had spent years navigating the ups and downs of the market. Bob was no rookie, he knew his charts. He followed the news religiously, always staying updated with the latest market trends and economic indicators. But Bob had a weakness: his emotions. Despite his experience, he often found himself swayed by the highs and lows of the market. One day, Bob saw gold prices dip slightly. It wasn't a significant drop, just a minor fluctuation that happens all the time in the market. Panic set in. He thought, "This is it, the crash, sell, sell, sell!" His mind raced with thoughts of losing everything he had worked so hard for. Bob, blinded by fear, dumped his entire gold position. He didn't stop to think, didn't analyze the situation, he just reacted. Guess what? The dip was temporary. Within hours, the prices started to recover. By the next day, gold was back to its previous levels. Gold rebounded quickly, reaching new highs. Those who held on to their positions saw their investments grow significantly. Bob missed out, big time. He watched in dismay as the prices soared, realizing the mistake he had made in his moment of panic. He let his emotions make the call, and it cost him a fortune. Bob's story is a stark reminder of the dangers of letting fear dictate your actions. Remember, in the wild world of gold trading, a cool head is your most valuable asset. Stay calm, stay informed, and never let your emotions drive your decisions. You see, trading gold isn't just about charts and graphs, it's a mental game. A game where your biggest enemy is often staring back at you from the mirror. Greed, fear, impatience. These emotions can derail even the most seasoned trader. That's why, before you even think about hitting that buy or sell button, you gotta ask yourself one crucial question. A question that can be the difference between a golden opportunity and a financial fiasco. Ready for it? Here it is. Am I making this trade based on logic or emotion? Simple, right? But oh so powerful. See, when you're driven by logic, you make calculated decisions. You stick to your trading plan even when the market throws a curveball. But when emotions take over, it's like driving with your eyes closed. You're reckless, impulsive, and headed for disaster. Remember, in the gold game, logic is your compass, and emotion is the storm. Which one will you let guide you? Ever heard the saying, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered? It's Wall Street wisdom, folks. Greed can turn you into a pig in a heartbeat. You see a stock soaring and you think, just a little more, I can squeeze out a few more bucks. Next thing you know, the market turns, and you're left holding the bag. Ouch! Greed can make you ignore your risk management, chase after unrealistic gains, and ultimately, lose big time. Don't let greed turn you into a market hog. Section 5. Riding the golden wave, how patience pays off. In the world of investments, patience is often the key to success. It's not just about making quick decisions, but about understanding the market and waiting for the right moment. Remember Bob? The guy who panicked and sold his gold? Bob was always in a rush, constantly checking his phone for market updates, and reacting to every little dip in the price. He let his emotions drive his decisions, and that led to his downfall. Now let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah had a plan. She wasn't swayed by the daily fluctuations in the market. Instead, she focused on the bigger picture. She knew that gold, like many investments, has its ups and downs. She ignored the noise, kept her cool when the market dipped, and waited patiently for the right moment to sell. Sarah spent her time researching, understanding market trends, and setting realistic goals. She knew that patience would eventually pay off. When gold hit its peak, Sarah cashed in, laughing all the way to the bank. Her patience and strategic planning paid off, and she reaped the rewards of her disciplined approach. Patience, my friends, is a virtue, especially in gold trading. Don't be like Bob. Be like Sarah. Take the time to understand your investments, set long-term goals, and don't let short-term fluctuations shake your confidence. Remember, good things come to those who wait, especially in the gold market. The journey might be long and sometimes challenging, but with patience and a well-thought-out plan, success is within reach. So stay calm, stay focused, and let time work in your favor. Section 6. Laughter and losses, finding humor in trading mishaps. Trading can be a roller coaster of emotions. One moment you're on top of the world, and the next, you're scratching your head, wondering what went wrong. But here's the thing. Every trader, no matter how experienced, has faced those bewildering moments. Now don't get me wrong, even the best of us make mistakes. We're human after all. It's part of the learning curve. Imagine you're out in nature, enjoying a hike, and you take a wrong turn. Do you beat yourself up over it? Or do you laugh it off, enjoy the unexpected scenery and find your way back? Trading is much the same, but it's how you react to those mistakes that really matters. A positive attitude can turn a setback into a setup for a comeback. Think of it as a sunrise after a long night. The dawn brings new opportunities and a fresh perspective. Ever made a bad trade? I have. And let me tell you, it's not the end of the world. It's easy to get down on yourself, but trust me, a little humor goes a long way. Laughing at your mistakes doesn't mean you're not taking them seriously, it means you're resilient and ready to learn. It's easy to get down on yourself, but trust me, a little humor goes a long way. Learn from your mistakes, chuckle at your miscalculations, and move on. Picture yourself on a nature walk with friends, sharing stories of your trading blunders. The laughter not only lightens the mood but also reinforces the lessons learned, because at the end of the day, it's all part of the game. Just like playing a game in an open field, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but the joy is in the participation and the camaraderie. Trading is no different. Embrace the journey, the ups and downs, and find joy in the process. Remember, a sense of humor is a trader's best friend, especially when the market throws a curveball. It's like jogging on a forest trail. You might stumble over a root, but you get up, laugh it off, and keep going. The same resilience applies to trading, especially when the market throws a curveball. So the next time you find yourself staring at a loss, take a deep breath, look up at the sky, and smile. Remember, every trader has been there, and it's all part of the adventure. Keep your sense of humor intact, and you'll navigate the trading world with grace and resilience. Section 7. Discipline, your golden ticket to trading success. Now let's talk discipline, the not-so-sexy cousin of excitement. You might be thinking, discipline sounds boring. But trust me on this, discipline is the key that unlocks consistent profits. It means sticking to your trading plan, managing your risk, and not chasing after every shiny object in the market. Discipline is the difference between a gambler and a trader. Remember, discipline might not be glamorous, but it's the bedrock of trading success. So buckle down, stay focused, and watch your profits soar. Section 8. Join the 85% Club, witness Trading Mastery Live. Want to see these principles in action? Head on over to Gains and Mindset HQ. We've got a 24/7 live stream featuring a trading bot that's 85% accurate. You'll see how discipline, risk management, and a cool head can lead to serious profits. Don't just take my word for it, come see it for yourself. Remember, seeing is believing, and at Gains and Mindset HQ, you'll witness the power of a winning trading strategy. Section 9. Time to shine. Embrace the golden mindset. So there you have it, folks. The secret sauce to successful gold trading isn't some fancy algorithm or insider information, it's all about your mindset. Before you make that trade, ask yourself, logic or emotion? Embrace discipline, practice patience, and don't forget to laugh along the way. Now go out there, conquer the markets, and show the world what you're made of.